Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be making some Cuban style chicken noodle soup. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe now so that you don't forget. And also click on the bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. The first thing I'm going to show you guys today is what you will need to make this wonderful soup. Levanta muerto. That means raised from the dead. So like if you're feeling super sick or you're just not feeling yourself or you have like a really bad hangover, this chicken noodle soup will raise you from the dead. Levanta muerto. So yeah, let me show you guys what you will need. All right, ECC crew, Easy Cooking Cuban crew. What you are going to need is some peppers and onions. I buy them pre-cut. You can buy them fresh. You're gonna need some chicken. I will be using some chicken tenderloin because this is what I have. You can definitely use chicken thighs, chicken legs. You can use chicken breast, whatever is your preference. You can use it with the skin on, skin off, whatever you guys want. I have some carrots. I have some celery. I have some potatoes. I have some corn. And I really wanted to have some malanga, which is taro root in English. Malanga is delicious, but I didn't have any, so that, couldn't do it. I got some fresh garlic. I have some tomato sauce, avocado oil, caldo de tomate, which is like chicken flavor bouillon with tomato, cumin, black pepper, bay leaf, onion powder, oregano, parsley, garlic powder, and sea salt. Oh, and of course you need the noodles. Of course you can use any noodles you want. Today I'm going to be using angel hair pasta, or you can use some Fideos de Sopa. I couldn't find them in the little Walmart, so I got the thinnest pasta available. You can also do it with whatever you guys normally do it. I also like to do it sometimes with the egg noodles, so that's another option. And this recipe will be on the Instant Pot. So the first thing I'm going to do, I already washed my celery. I'm going to peel my potatoes and my carrots, and I'm going to cut and smash some garlic, fresh garlic. Again, if you guys use already the garlic that's already pre-cut or whatever, that's fine too. That saves you some time. But it seems like they go bad really quick. That's why I don't do it. So just cut your vegetables, rinse them, the ones that you're not going to peel. And because we're going to add this later, I'm going to put everything inside a bowl for later. So cut them in the chunks that you and your family like. My family likes everything small, so I will cut it small. Now I have turned on my Instant Pot into the saute setting, and I have added some avocado oil to the I'm manually releasing the pressure. Now we're gonna add all the vegetables and we're gonna cook it for 5 more minutes. That's why at the beginning I changed it from 30 minutes to 25 minutes because I want to cook this for about 5 minutes and I don't want it to get like super mushy. Okay, so all the pressure has gone out already. I'm gonna open it up. Look how good that looks. Delicious. We're just going to stir this. So what I like to do is I like to remove the chicken so that I can shred it. Just like a quick shred with a fork. So I have removed the bay leaf and now I'm just gonna, with a fork, just shred the chicken a little bit, the chicken, so that it's easier to eat. And also makes the soup like a little, like with a little bit more like consistency. I don't know. I just like to shred it. Makes it easier for us to eat it. And once it's all shredded, I'm gonna go and add the noodles and the vegetables. So I'm gonna put the vegetables back, the vegetables in the soup. I'm also gonna put a little bit of corn. Add some corn to your liking. If I would have had mini corn on the cobs, I would have used that instead. Let me check that I've seen enough corn. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And now these noodles that I have, they're already pot perfect, so I don't gotta cut them. But usually if you have like really long ones or like the Fideos, you want to cut them, and even then you can cut them up a little bit more if you want to, just to get more of them in there. And you don't want to put like super a lot, because then like you will stay without any liquid in the soup. They will like absorb all the liquid and you will stay with nothing. So I think that's fine. You can always check, like make sure that you see like, and I think it's pretty good. Now we'll add our chicken back in there. Mix it all together, and we're going to cook this off for 5 more minutes in pressure cooker or in pressure. Make sure you seal it. And I'm gonna do manual. Actually, I'm gonna do poultry and then go down to 5, so it's quicker. And we're just gonna cook that, and then I'll show you guys how it comes out. Okay, so now the 5 minutes are up. We're gonna open it and see what's going on. Everything, look at the noodles, how soft they are already. Our potatoes are tender, everything's perfect. Now the last thing I'm gonna do, and this is because me and my oldest daughter like it, I'm gonna put the Instant Pot back in saute, and I'm gonna wait like a couple of minutes, and when the water starts boiling again, I'm gonna add 2 or 3 eggs. I'm just gonna crack them open and put them right in there, and they are going to cook and stay like together. So we love to eat eggs with our soup, so that's just the last step for my soup. And this is the final product. You can see the piece of chicken in there, and there's some carrots, some corn, the noodles, and I have cut up some avocado, and we have a little piece of lemon, which we're gonna squeeze all over the avocado. Okay, so look how delicious that looks. It's super flavorful. The chicken, as you guys saw, is super tender. And now we are just going to try it. Okay, so now you guys can see that the soup is like really boiling. That's when I know it's ready for the egg. So I'm just gonna crack it, and I'm gonna put it right in there. And the egg will stay together and cook beautifully, and I really love it. So does my oldest daughter. So I'm gonna put about 3, just for, we could have 1 each for tonight, and I could have 1 left for tomorrow. And you wanna space them out, so like I put 1 here, and 1 here. Okay, so I'm going to try it now. And we like to use these little spoons. They're super cute and hold the soup better. So freaking delicious, guys. Like, the flavor is amazing. And now once I squeeze the lemon in there, it's gonna be even more flavorful. But right now, I don't know if you guys can see, super good. I love it. So Cuban style chicken noodle soup, levanta muerto. And again, remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my future videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, so that you can see all the videos that I'm gonna come up with. And see you guys